Okie dokies. I just received a tactical stock in the mail from a friend of mine on YouTube, PJC Sinalis. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I'm going to put his YouTube link right here. Go check his channel out. He's really cool. He has a lot of cool gun-related videos. And he sent me this really cool tactical stock, which I am going to show you how to put on. Throw that down right here. A little safety check. Nothing in there. Alright. Nothing. Alright. Nothing in there. Anyway, let's get on this. Let's get on with this because I'm running out of time here. My battery isn't on full charge. So, first thing you gotta do is you have to take off your recoil pad. Alright, come on. Throw that down there. Need a... Now you need a big ass screwdriver to get in here. I'll take that off. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. That's off. And now what you do is you put this down. Get your screwdriver back out. Careful you don't lose this tiny ass screw. And this is a pain in the ass to get out. I have to like pry it off. I don't have a punch. Get the fuck out of there. Alright, let's use the big ass screwdriver. Stop ruining my video. Come on. Come on. There we go. The pin. Then you just take that off. Go over here. Go over here. Alright, check it out. Put that like there. I'm trying to rush as fast as I can because my camera was completely dead this morning. So take the 1/4 Allen key, jam it in that hole, and push, 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 push. Get the fuck in there. Very easy to put on. There, make sure that's nice and tight. And put that on. You get the key, you get the pin, you put the pin back in. Get in there, pin. Alright, let's try this side. Get in there, you son of a... There we go. Then you put the screw back in. Get in there. Get the fuck in there. And voila. The tactical stock is on, and this is cool. Right, it has 6 positions. So very cool. Look at that. Thank you, PJC Sinalis. I hope I'm saying your name right. I love the tactical stock. Looks awesome. And I hope, for the love of God, my camera is still rolling.